Tanya and Rich, and we've been married for 13 years. 10 of these we've been fostering. We both have children from previous marriages. For us, it didn't feel right to go down the path of having more children of our own, but we knew we had more to offer, and we thought that fostering would give us the opportunity to care for children who need it the most. From day one, the Vale of Glamorgan Local Authority fostering team has been incredible. From the big stuff like the formal training, to small things like being there on the end of the phone or popping round when we're having a bad day. They're always here for us. I think we were a little naive to begin with. We just thought we could help out different children who needed a home for a few months and not commit to anything long term. But then we met Charlie, and she's been with us ever since. Charlie was 7 when she came to us. She's 17 now and doing great at college. I remember she was so tearful when she first came here. She's been through so much for her age and really needed us to show her that she was safe. From day one, we've given Charlie a warm home with lots of love and a regular routine. But you've also got to make it fun too. She needed a safe home, but also that space to just be a child. Same with the young lad, Alex, living with us now, who's always one step ahead. Alex has certainly kept us on our toes, but underneath it all, he's a young lad who needs us to stand by him no matter what. Young people grow so much when you give them your time, love, dedication and respect. We're just trying to make the best of the situation for them and give them a good chance at life. Our own kids are all grown up now, but they've been 100% supportive and we couldn't have done it without them. We're so grateful to the Vale of Glamorgan Local Authority fostering team for giving us an opportunity to share our family and to foster. It's a privilege to be able to make a difference to those children's lives. I like to think it's brought out the best in us too.